life.atv, boys.
Yo, what up guys? Danny from life.atv here, and today I'm sitting in my truck right now. If you guys can see back there, you probably can't. Nah, the truck's too big, but I actually got my trailer hooked up. We're heading out to Cody's right now, and we gotta load up my 2006 Honda TRX 450R. Been having some problems with it the last few weeks. We can't get to run. It will start, it'll idle, but as soon as you give it any gas, she shuts off or she bogs. So we're thinking she has some carb problems. I think it's because I put some bad gas in it from the local shop here, the local gas station, and I never put gas in it from this place because I don't know, it leads to I just don't trust it, and of course it leads to problems right now. So we're gonna head out to Cody's, we're gonna load it up, and we'll probably bring it there tomorrow. And something cool about the place we're bringing it to, our local Honda shop, is the second oldest in the world, right here in Minnesota. Awesome, Minnesota, Trimble's Cycle, I think it's called. So we'll see you guys out at Cody's. We'll go see what he's up to. So here she is, boys, right in front of the Raptor, the beast. I'll show you guys what I mean. Before it would start, now I can't even get it to start, it seems like. But today's hot, maybe she was just cold-blooded that day. Turn the choke on. Nothing. I don't want to kill the battery before I bring it in, but that's what she's doing, boys. She will not fire, like she's not getting fuel, so that's why I think something's wrong in the carburetor. But we'll put her up and we'll bring her in. Here we go. I was telling them the issues I'm having. It seems like I'm not getting fuel, so I think it's a carburetor issue. But she's all loaded up, guys. We'll strap her down and we'll be on our way.
Get her back on the road and get her dirty again, god dang it. Get her back in action.
Must be a serious sound. Boys, what's up?
What are we doing today, buddy?
Well, it's about a week later from the clips you guys just seen, and we're hooking up the trailer and we're going to go back and grab the Honda.
Doesn't feel like it's been a week though.
Yeah, it's been a week since we dropped it off, and they said it was just carb problems. Carb needed good cleaning. They cleaned the airbox, put a few missing bolts in, just nothing hard. Just we didn't have time here to do it, so
go get her.
yeah, we're gonna go grab her, guys. And Cole's repping the shirt. He's repping the shirt.
Always.
We got her back, boys.
She's back.
Give me a little start up. Sounds damn good.
Like new.
Got what it sounded like.
Now all we gotta do is take her back to the lot compound.
Test her out. Alright, boys, just got the Raptor out. Cole's gonna be ripping the Raptor. I got the Honda over there. First test ride after getting the carbs cleaned, making sure she's dialed in. I missed her, so we're gonna rip around the lot compound, right, buddy?
That's right.
Cole's getting his GoPro all set up. We'll see you on the trail. dude. I was kind of trying to send it off that hump right there.
Hell yeah.
All right, boys. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the short little ride of us just kind of testing out the Honda.
How'd you ride today, pal?
Dude, she rode awesome. I missed it. It's been down about a month just because we've been so busy here and the weather's been shitty that we finally got it in, and dude, it's awesome.
It's good.
It was a good ride.
Have her back.
Yep, and be on the lookout for videos every week, guys. Thank you so much for the support. As always, like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.
Later, guys.